And now it's time to shift focus to Mumbai rains. Several areas received more than 200 of rainfalls in last 24 hours, with Vikhroli in the eastern suburbs reporting the highest downpour, leaving roads waterlogged and turning them into virtual ponds due to Mumbai rains. The city continued to witness intense downpour for the second straight day, and the Methi River is also touching the danger mark. Schools and colleges are shut amid a red alert issued by IMD. Times Network's Rucha Kanolkar joins in with the ground report from Kurla.
For the fourth consecutive day, Mumbai city is experiencing relentless downpour and the Mumbai roads are submerged today due to the heavy rains. I am currently standing inside a premises of a school, Pantavalalwalkar school in Kurla's Nehru Nagar, and the entire area of the school, the ground, the classrooms, everything has a flooded situation here, and this is because of the extremely heavy rainfall that Mumbai city is experiencing. And this is not the first day that this has happened. For fourth consecutive day, this situation remains the same. The entire patch of Kurla Nehru Nagar is flooded, and the bikers are also struggling to travel from. The pedestrians are also trying to make their way, but it is very difficult to even walk in this situation where there is water up to the waist length, up to the knee length, and BMC has installed a pumping section here which tries to take out the flooded water from the streets, but it is clearly not working. The BMC authorities have also put some signboards where there are manholes, because in this situation the manholes are usually opened, and high tide has become a major challenge for the BMC to tackle the situation. While there is extremely heavy rainfall, it is important to note how BMC has failed to address the basic issues, the basic necessities of Mumbaikars. The Methi River, which is right next to this road, is also completely choked due to the sewage and due to the silt that BMC claims to be cleaning every year 100%, but it is clearly not working, and the recent road work in the Mumbai has also caused this. The drainage system seems to be a failure by BMC, and which is why the Mumbaikars now have to suffer the issue of waterlogging in the entire Mumbai city.